Hey guys, this is Bobby, B&W Locksmith. You know what day is today? It's Friday. That means Freaky Friday. Two winners for free keys. Let's see who is the lucky winner. Winners. Okay, first one. Ludmila Neville. Ludmila Neville, congratulations for your Toyota Venza 2011. Push to start. That's an expensive key. Okay, the dealer probably $500-600. We normally do it for $300-400. That's save you. Okay, congratulations. Come see us. We'll get you a key for free. Next winner. Aha Congratulations for your Kawasaki motorcycle, Kawasaki Vulcan 2024. Also, not a cheap key. I'm gonna do it for free. Come see us. B&W Locksmith. Thank you for watching. We're waiting for you guys. Come get your free keys. Whoever did not win this time, don't worry. Keep posting, and hopefully, maybe next week, you'll be the lucky winners.